What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review we will test how to get the latest working Slime RNG scripts for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to this website. It's called blockspan.com. You will find it easily, guys. And let's click browse scripts and let's search down below for Slime RNG. Click there, guys. It should load up and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So don't worry, guys, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. And I will continue with my username. I will just enter like this, click done, click connect to server, and guys, you should get this. So if it's your account, just click connect and that's pretty much it. So guys, now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to use these scripts. But don't worry, because if you don't have any executor, you can import the latest Delta. So just click yes. And I forgot to say, if you already have Delta, just select yes. If you already have a different executor like Synapse or KRNL, just select I already have a different executor. So I will just continue with Delta. It will import this, and guys, now we'll select our additional scripts to install. So I will go with Overflow. You can select literally whatever you like from this list. You can also Google them and see what they do. I will go with Overflow, NICUs, Solix Hub, Snowy, and Lamin Hub, like these 5 for example. Let's test. Click import script, guys. It will start connecting to the API, so make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. And boom, we're successfully connected, guys. Our Delta is there and our 5 scripts selected are ready for import. Look at this. Nice. So now we'll have to click verify and complete now, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click, guys, this button and let's wait until this redirects. So there we go. It's actually imported, guys, and we got our selected scripts successfully imported. Now we're going to open our Roblox and our Slime RNG and we will test, are we actually getting all these scripts. So guys, if you're detected as a bot, before you get this imported page, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks from the list. Don't worry, because it's all free and safe and it takes only minute or 2 to complete this. Just complete this and you will get redirected to this imported page with your username and your scripts imported. So let's open our Roblox now and let's see, are we actually getting our Slime RNG scripts? Okay, so let's scroll down below. Let's click on Slime RNG. Let's click play, guys. Let's rotate my phone. Boom, guys, we got our Delta imported. Let's check for 5 scripts that we have imported. There we go. Overflow, NICU, Solix, Lamin Hub, and Snowy, guys, just as we selected. And let's select, let's start this Lamin Hub and let's see, is it actually working? Just click execute, guys. Let me lower this. Okay. And look at this, guys. We got lifetime key for this, and now we can do whatever we like. Fast mode, auto roll, auto equip, auto shoot, walk close. Look at this. We can do literally whatever we like, guys. Look at this. No clip, FPS boost, low graphics. Okay, we want black screen, no clip, infinite jump. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. It's crazy, guys. We actually got working scripts for this. I cannot believe, guys. Don't worry, because it's undetected and you can do whatever you like with this. It's tested by many users. So Blockspan is legit website where you can get all these amazing scripts for free, guys, along Delta if you don't have it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.